Haris, now can you see the page? Great. Okay, look at the screen and focus on your lesson, okay? Sit properly. Okay, read. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Great. Okay, Haris, the first one is, there are three words. The first one is ya, and the middle one is za. The purple one is za, okay? And the last one is kaf. First we read ya joined to za, and ya top of zabar sign, okay? Then one more time read za, but za joined to kaf. Za, kaf, zabar, zak. This top of again zabar sign. And the last one is kaf top of khada zabar sign, okay? Good. Okay, read ya za zabar yaz, za kaf zabar zak, yazak, kaf khada zabar ka. No, this top of khada zabar. Kaf khada zabar ka. Yazakka. Good. MashaAllah. Next, the first one is again ya, okay? First one is ya, the black one is ya, and the middle one is zal. First ya joined to zal, then zal joined to kaf. The black one is kaf, okay? And the kaf read two times. First zal joined to kaf, then one more time read kaf, and kaf top of zabar sign, again zabar sign. And the last one is ra. This green one is ra, and the ra top of page sign, okay? Good. Ya za zabar, sorry, ya zal zabar yaz, zal kaf zabar zak, read properly. Zal kaf zabar zak, yazak, kaf zabar ka, yazakka, ra pesh ro, yazakkaru. Very good. Next, the first one is alif. The black one is alif, and the purple one is lam, okay? Alif joined to lam, okay? Good. And the middle one is meme. Meme joined to dal. The black one is meme, and the purple one is dal. Meme joined to dal, and meme top of page sign, okay? And the dal read two times. First meme joined to dal, meme top of page sign. Then one more time read dal top of zabar sign, okay? And dal joined to sa top of three dots, and the down of zer sign. Then last one is the green one is ra top of page sign, okay? Good. Look at the screen and focus on your lesson. Good boy. Okay, read alif lam zabar al, mim dal pesh mud, al mud, dal sa zabar das, al muddas, sa zer se, al muddassi, ra pesh ro, al muddassiru. Good. Okay, Haris, look at the screen and read last one. The first one is alif and the purple one is lam. Alif joined to lam. Then the middle one is meme. Meme joined to za. Za top of one dots. Okay. But we za read two times. First meme joined to za and meme top of pesh sign. Then one more time read za. Za joined to meme and za top of zabar sign. But meme read two time. Meme read two time. First za joined to meme and za top of zabar sign. Then one more time reads meme down of zer sign. Okay, this top of shad sign. So we read this word two time. And the last one is lam top of pesh sign. Okay.
Okay.
Good. Alif lam zabar al.
Lam zabar al.
Mim za pesh moz.
Sa pesh mos.
Al moz. Za mim zabar zam.
Mim zabar zam.
Al muzzam.
Muzzam.
Mim zer me. Al muzzammi.
Muzzam.
Lam pesh lo.